Hey Jane, do you have a minute? I was going through the biology notes, and I'm struggling to memorize all these diagrams. They're just so detailed, I don't know where to start.
Sure, John, I can help with that. Diagrams are my thing, but I've been having trouble with those problem-solving questions in the assignments. I can't seem to figure out where to begin most of the time.
Well, that works out perfectly. Maybe we can help each other. I can walk you through the problem-solving steps if you'll give me some tips on remembering these diagrams.
Deal. Let's start with your diagrams. Have you tried breaking them into smaller sections and focusing on one part at a time?
Not really. I usually try to memorize the whole thing in one go, and it's overwhelming.
That's probably why it feels so daunting. Let's take this cell diagram, for instance. First, focus on the nucleus and the organelles nearby. Use colors or labels to make them stand out. Then move outward to the other structures. It's like building a puzzle piece by piece.
Oh, that makes sense. I'll try using some colored markers. Do you have any other tricks?
Mnemonics work really well, too. For example, to remember the order of the stages in mitosis, I use the phrase, please make another tiny cell. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis.
That's brilliant. I'll try creating something similar for the parts of a chloroplast. Now, how about your problem-solving questions? What trips you up?
Honestly, I panic when I see a long question. I don't know which information is important and which is just extra.
I get that. Here's what I do. First, I underline the key parts of the question, like what it's actually asking and any data given. Then, I think about which concepts apply. For example, if it's about energy transfer, I immediately think of ATP and metabolism.
Oh, I see. So you break it down step by step instead of trying to solve it all at once.
Exactly. Once you know what the question is asking, the rest becomes easier. And don't forget to double-check your work at the end. You'd be surprised how many mistakes you catch that way.
That sounds manageable. Thanks, John. I think I'll try that with the next set of questions. When should we meet again to study together?
How about Thursday evening? We can review the diagrams and tackle the problem sets together.
Perfect. I'll bring my flashcards for the terms, too. Thanks for the tips today. I feel a lot better about those problem-solving questions now.
And thanks for helping me with the diagrams. Studying together is already making things easier. See you Thursday.
See you then, John.